let's get right on into making these pinto beans, baby. Now I will be using 1 cup of dry beans. 1 cup of dry beans makes 3 cups of cooked beans. Onion powder, ground cumin, paprika, garlic powder, 2 turkey tails, smoked turkey tails. This is optional too. I'm not using any pork. All right, now peep game, folks. You can either use water, you can use broth of any kind you like. You can use chicken broth, beef broth, or vegetable broth. But what I'm gonna do here is use some broth I made my own self. That is straight up from vegetables. And I have a link to that description too. But in the meantime, folks, what you wanna do is however many cups of beans dry you have in here, you want to multiply that times 4 for your cup of water. So with me, I'm using 1 cup of beans, so I'm going to use 4 cups of my vegetable broth. All right, get that all up in there. Now for my spices, I will list the portion size up there in the corner, and I will also list the portion size down there in the description. Quick stir real quick, because we don't want to go stirring it while it's cooking. We're going to let it do its thing here in the slow cooker. But we want to go ahead and get that water all nice and flavored up right now. All right, that's all it needs. And remember right here, this right here is the ticket. I'm not adding no salt to this. These bad boys got enough salt and sodium on their own. These are my turkey tails. You can add them if you choose to. I'm adding 2. You can add 1, whatever you want to do. Just put you some kind of smoked meat in there. I'm doing this because I don't eat pork. We're going to put this baby on. We're going to put it on low. And we're going to let that baby do its thing for 8 hours. We'll be back. All right, folks, we're 4 hours in. And that's looking pretty good. Now is the time. If you guys want to add a bay leaf, you put it in now at about the 4 hours. And when it's finished, always remove your bay leaf. But I'm not adding a bay leaf. We're going to let this ride out for that next 4 hours. All right, folks, it's been 7 hours. Let's see what we got. And now right here is where you want to go ahead and stir the pot up if you want and chop up your turkey tails into the size you want it. Now, folks, remember, we got an hour to go. So this last hour, we're going to leave this top off so this can finish cooking and it can evaporate some. All right, folks, there you have it. Bon appetit. You can pair this up with some of my hot water cornbread or any of my cornbread. I will leave a link down there in the description for all the cornbread that I have made on this channel. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.